In this video, I'm simply explaining the directions as we are learning about how an author develops a character's point of view about something. So, something that I have strong feelings about is a cat. And the big idea is I cannot stand cats in my space. Well, let me share the chart with you. Some of my thoughts are in capitals. If you were to notice me, so if an author was going to write about me and my dislike of cats, they would notice that I would stiffen. They'd notice that my eyes follow the cats. The thoughts going on in my head are the things written in capital letters below. In this middle chart, actions. How do I show how I feel about a cat? And again, if someone were writing about me, this is what they would somehow get into the narrative, what I would be doing. I sit straighter. I always have the cat in sight. Some other things here that might even go to thoughts about what would be going on inside of me. And then finally, words that I might say regarding cats. And notice again, it's never just one. I'll just say, oh, you have cats. And then if asked, I share my childhood terror story of cats. So that's how you fill in that do now graphic organizer. We'll do more with it later. Have fun.